Hi there everybody, I'm Ashley and this is a product introduction video for Watercolor Textures Brushstrokes mini stamp set for Ink to Papers May 2019 release. This stamp set is designed and illustrated by Jennifer Campbell, and the stamp set comes in a mini version of a package, and it is on a 3x4 sheet. And it comes like this with the label already affixed to it, and it is retailing for $6. In this stamp set, you get 4 brushstroke images that are inspired by a watercolor type of brushstroke design, and you have different size options. You just kind of have like a smaller square or rectangular option, a long skinny line, a long rectangular block there, and a shorter rectangular block. So it gives you a lot of different things you can do with it. You can create different patterns. You can use the actual brush strokes as a way to start your watercoloring process to apply the color to it, or you can just stamp with it. So just to give you an idea, I have a couple of card designs here. And this one I just use as a backdrop for my sentiment. And this is probably the easiest way to do it, but it's so pretty because it looks like you have done a watercolor brushstroke behind the actual stamped image, allowing that stamped image to pop. Of course, you can do this with watercolor paper and add a little bit of watercolor to make it a little bit more realistic, like an actual watercolor design. Okay, so for this one, I used this long rectangular one here and stamped it like that, all right? And that's just a simple version. This is a little bit more of a background pattern than I created. It actually ends up looking like a little bit of a brick pattern. I used this rectangular image here and just stamped it in Paper Tray Inks, Melonberry ink, and in Harvest Gold ink, and alternated it back and forth, different spots. And really cool design. You get that great background pattern, lots of things you can do with it. I could have mixed it with the smaller one too and created a totally different pattern. So I mixed it up and just added my sentiment on top, and I have just a great little card with watercolor inspired design, but with just stamping. So I hope you enjoyed this video introducing Watercolor Texture Brushstrokes for Ink to Papers May 2019 release.